A customer comes into the shop and asks, "Why is her blower motor humming?" The man behind the counter says, "Well, it might not know the words." As a service advisor, you are the conduit between the technician and the customer. You are also an advocate and an educator for the customer. Every day you can create win-win situations that benefit the customer, technician, and the shop. One such opportunity is blower motor repairs. The next time a technician submits a repair order that recommends replacing the blower motor resistor, you might want to ask him to perform further inspections and tests on the blower motor components and connectors. By doing this, you can avoid a comeback and increase sales. Ask the technician if he has inspected the HVAC case drain to ensure that the water can drain properly. Also, have him verify that the cabin air filter is clean, or go ahead and recommend that a new one be installed. Ask the technician if he inspected the blower motor and performed a check to see how many amps it draws. Here's what it drew. Also, ask him if he looked at the connector for the blower motor resistor. Why? As the original blower motor ages, it becomes more difficult to turn. This increases stress and heat on the blower motor resistor. Also, dirt and debris in the blower motor housing can cause even more stress on the blower motor resistor, causing it to burn out. The additional stress on the circuit from the old blower motor causes heat that damages the connector. This can cause the connector to melt and lead to a bad connection when the new blower motor resistor is installed. If just the blower motor resistor is replaced, the new part could fail quickly and cause an unhappy customer. By inspecting the blower motor and the connectors, you can provide the customer with a complete repair that takes only one trip. It also provides your shop with additional parts and labor sales. This is a win-win-win for your customers, technicians, and shop, and you will have everyone singing your praises.